Finally tonight here, get ready for takeoff. No plane needed, just a jet suit. Move over Ironman.
We now move to the very heart of the Alps, to the majestic peak of Monte Agna, where a wingsuit becomes not just a suit but wings. Among all forms of flight, wingsuit-based jumping remains one of the riskiest and most technically demanding. In this video, an extreme athlete performs an incredibly difficult jump from the summit of Monte Agna, one of the most recognizable cliffs in the Dolomite Alps of Italy. The mountain is characterized by sharp elevation drops, narrow gorges, and nearly vertical walls, all of which create ideal yet extremely dangerous conditions for wingsuit flights. Immediately after detaching from the cliff, the pilot begins a high-speed descent along the so-called technical line, a route that passes just a few meters from the rock faces. Throughout nearly the entire flight, he maintains minimal altitude above the terrain, controlling his speed and trajectory with surgical precision. Such flights demand extremely accurate calculations, physical conditioning, and deep familiarity with the route. Another truly unique example of flight that simply cannot be overlooked comes from a video shared on the YouTube channel The Dodo. At the heart of the story is a dog who not only accompanies his owner but regularly takes part in paragliding flights. What makes it even more remarkable is that the dog himself is the one initiating the adventure. Each time, he eagerly runs up to the gear, clearly asking to join the flight. From the very beginning of the preparation, the owner gets ready for takeoff, and right by his side is the dog, full of energy and anticipation. After a short run-up, the two lift off together. During takeoff, the loyal companion remains completely calm, focused, and most importantly, visibly enjoying the flight. The expression on the dog's face in the air is not just a powerful image, it is a demonstration that animals are capable of experiencing and sharing extreme sensations, especially when there is a strong emotional bond between them and their human. Recently, in China's Yunnan province, a 34-year-old man named Liu Dongsheng captured public attention when he conducted test flights of the jetpack built by himself. A video of the test flight quickly went viral, with many calling him the Chinese Iron Man. Liu was inspired by the film Iron Man and by videos of foreign enthusiasts, after which he dedicated 2 years to the project and spent over $700,000 when developing the device. His jetpack is equipped with 5 microturbojet engines, generating a combined output of approximately 600 horsepower. The entire system, including fuel, weighs around 23 kilograms, with a maximum thrust of 145 kilograms. The device can stay airborne for between 3 and 5 minutes with a theoretical flight altitude of 100 to 200 m. However, for safety, current tests are conducted at heights of 2 to 3 m. Operating the jetpack requires good physical conditioning and a body weight of no more than 85 kilograms. You are looking at one of the most insane and creative experiments ever conducted in free flight, and yes, it was actually caught on camera. This is not special effects or a scene from a movie. This is a real trampoline lifted into the sky using giant helium balloons, and it was all made possible by the team led by Jay Alvarez. In the video, you can see the structure rising into the sky, hovering at a specific altitude, and becoming a stage for a truly unique shoot. In the center is a trampoline surrounded by clouds and soft daylight, while participants perform jumps in a nearly weightless space. More than 20 industrial helium balloons were used, each providing lift in the range of 8 to 10 kilograms. The total mass of the platform with the trampoline was approximately 150 to 180 kilograms, including safety gear and equipment. To prevent swaying, guide ropes and distributed ballast points were used. Altitude control was managed by adjusting the helium volume and regulating ballast from the ground. This video became more than just viral content, it served as a clear example of modern creative thinking in the realm of flight. Engineers from Jetpack Aviation have developed a jetpack that allows anyone to experience flight. The device, called JB-10, is a compact personal flying machine capable of reaching speeds of up to 160 km per hour and climbing to altitudes of up to 3,000 m. Unlike most concepts, this device has already demonstrated successful manned flights. The JB-10 is equipped with two powerful turbojet engines that run on kerosene or diesel fuel. The unit weighs approximately 74 kilograms and can carry a pilot weighing up to 100 kilograms. The flight duration is up to 10 minutes, depending on conditions and the operator's weight. Control is handled by two hand grips. The left controls direction and maneuvering, while the right regulates thrust level. Thanks to gyroscope stabilization and balanced weight distribution, the JB-10 can be piloted without specialized flight training. Jetpack International has developed a unique jet-powered backpack called the Apollo Jetpack, which enables a person to fly using turbojet engines. This innovative device can lift a pilot to an altitude of up to 150 m and reach speeds of up to 120 km per hour. The maximum flight duration is approximately 33 seconds with a range of up to 400 m. The backpack uses hydrogen peroxide as fuel and is equipped with a fuel tank with a capacity of 16.3 L. The device itself weighs 56.7 kilograms, and the maximum allowable pilot weight is 81.6 kilograms. The Apollo Jetpack is widely used for spectacular shows and events around the world, showcasing the potential of personal flight. One notable example is a demonstration during a Formula One race in Australia, where a pilot took off from a moving truck and flew across the racetrack. Let's move on. What you see here is, without exaggeration, one of the most technologically advanced human flights ever performed without a cockpit or wings. In February 2020, legendary pilot Vince Raffet achieved a fully autonomous vertical takeoff from the ground using a carbon fiber jet wing equipped with 4 turbines. This was not a jump from a helicopter or a launch from altitude, it was a true ground takeoff, just like an airplane. In the first 8 seconds, Raffet reached a height of 100 m. By 12 seconds, he was at 200 m. By the 30th second, he had already climbed to 1 kilometer, moving at an average speed of 240 kilometers per hour. The flight lasted approximately 3 minutes, and at its peak, at an altitude of 1,800 m, he performed a barrel roll in a turn, then deployed a parachute at 1,500 m and landed back at the starting point. This time, American thrill seekers came up with a spectacular and adrenaline-filled discipline that allows one to quite literally ride a flying human at speeds exceeding 200 km per hour. This is Wingsuit Rodeo, a unique stunt from the world of skydiving where one athlete flies in a wingsuit while the other, without one, quite literally rides on their partner's back, holding on to the shoulders or special handles. Wingsuit Rodeo combines skills in free-fall acrobatics and absolute trust between participants. The person in the wingsuit provides flight stability and control, while the rider holds on and tries to maintain balance without disrupting the aerodynamics. Before performing such a stunt, athletes typically undergo extensive training, from regular jumps to complex formations in the air. Special attention is paid to the equipment, durable gloves, helmets with cameras like GoPro, and specially designed wingsuits with handles on the back. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Kiros Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.